Hello, my name is Johan and this is my colleague Vegar. We are from Norway and we are studying Industrial Technology Technician at Tecnologia videregående skole.
We chose Maxiplás to do our internship in equipment maintenance. Come and see what we are learning.
I chose Erasmus because it seemed pretty fun to go to a foreign country.
It's been a good experience to try to live on my own in other country.
The group SOCEM has taught me another way of being a mechanical and it will help me choose in the future.
The tasks I do here is I take maintenance on every machine. You clean them, you oil them up.
It is very fun to work in a foreign country and I would recommend it to everyone.
And the working environment is really good. I got really nice welcome. My colleagues are really great and I'm happy that I got this place.
Thank you for the opportunity to work in the SOCEM group. It was an adventure.
Thank you for getting a chance to stay at this place and try to work. That's been a really good experience and I hope you will well.
Do you want to gain experience outside your country?
This is your chance. Come join this adventure.